Why you should buy 17th and 18th century paintings now. Have you ever wondered when the perfect moment is to invest in classic art? That moment might just be now. 17th and 18th century paintings, long considered elite and expensive, have seen a noticeable dip in price. Quality works that used to sell for 20 to 40,000 euros are now appearing for under 10,000 euros. If you act quickly, you may own something rare, beautiful, and undervalued. What's happening? In recent years, the market for old masters, especially from the 17th and 18th centuries, has cooled. According to art market reports, Dutch Golden Age paintings in particular have cooled off, resulting in lower prices and good buying opportunities, some works reasonable where they used to be unbelievably expensive 10 years ago. Collectively, this cooling seems to have started around the mid-2010s, accelerating into the early 2020s. As tastes shift, younger collectors often opt for modern or contemporary art, leaving old masters in a quieter corner, for now. Some examples of deals. Here are real cases of 17th or 18th century paintings currently available at bargain levels. A still life of fruit, Dutch, 17th century, circle of John Davids de Heem, goes for about 8 to 10,000 euros on first dibs. An 18th century British Old Master oil painting listed at about £3,950 or 4,500 to 5,000 euros through Old Fine Art. Another example, Susanna and the Two Elders from the 17th century Lombard school, priced approx 2,900 euros. These aren't major names, but they have authentic 17th, 18th century provenance, style, and technique, things collectors prize deeply. Why the trend may reverse soon? Because when supply is tight and demand can surge, a small shift can make prices soar. Small supply. Genuine old masters are limited. Many are locked in museums or private collections. Each painting sold today removes one more from the market. Potential demand rebound. As wealth spreads, international collectors increase interest in classic art. Also, when people see bargains, they respond, meaning demand can sharpen quickly. Authenticity and rediscovery. Sometimes works lying unknown or unattributed get rediscovered. When attribution upgrades or studies confirm more prestigious names, values leap. Risks and what to check. Of course, it's not all guaranteed. Some things to watch for. Attribution is everything. A painting attributed to circle of or school of is much cheaper than by a master. Many bargain pieces carry ambiguous attribution. Condition. Old paintings often need restoration. That adds cost and risk. Provenance and legal issues. For very old art, verifying ownership history is crucial. So, is this the moment to buy old masters? If you find a quality 17th or 18th century painting for under 10,000 euros with decent attribution and condition, it could be one of the best art bargains of your lifetime. Trends move, and what is undervalued today might be the star of tomorrow's auction. Don't wait until everyone wakes up to this opportunity. The clock is ticking, supply is shrinking, and history has shown that art returns to favor, often when least expected. If you like videos like this, where art meets investment, history, and opportunity, hit like and subscribe. Art lectures will help you spot the gems before the crowd arrives.